Shalom, Park Avenue Synagogue.
Hey Karen, it's Stephanie Lichter. Is Beryl around?
Please hold.
Sure. Yes, I'll hold. Sure, I'll hold.
You don't want to put that on the video. I am a bad singer.
He's a rock star. You just want to listen to him.
His voice soars.
When I heard Ozzy's tape, I knew that he was the person we had to have for our synagogue. You knew this voice was special.
The guy knows everything about Jewish music.
You just want to sing along to this.
He's changed the face of this institution. His music, his style, his creativity, his working with kids, working with adults. He's just an amazing talent.
He has made PAS the center for Jewish music on the Upper East Side, in New York, in the world.
He's just got such a genuine spirit. You can just, he just lightens the whole room.
Ozzy is a gem, an artist, a religious leader. Ozzy is a pastoral presence. Ozzy, most of all, is a friend to me and to so many in the Park Avenue family.
He's the real deal. You just want to listen to him. You want to see what he does. You want to see him on the bima. You want to see the way he moves.
He thinks music. He breathes music.
He composes, he orchestrates, he sings others' compositions. He's simply a Renaissance man.
He wants everybody involved, and he makes them feel welcome.
It takes a cantor to be able to get you into that frame of mind and want to join you in a spiritual moment. I think that's what is so special about Ozzy.
And that's not just through his voice, it's through his body, it's through the way he closes his eyes.
His positivity and his goodness comes through his voice.
And the music floats over the entire congregation as we all join with him.
He's also brought this amazing ability to balance traditional chazanut with contemporary music.
We aren't singing the same melodies that they're singing at every other synagogue, and that's because of Ozzy.
It's like a concert. You never know what he's going to sing.
From Frozen to One Direction.
We did a Lady Gaga medley.
Star Wars. Inkom Chamalkeinu Tofia da 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 da.
It's just a tremendous experience. I always look forward to see what he's going to do next.
Ozzy is incredibly connected to the musical traditions of all kinds.
One of the most unique and special things about him is the way he connects with all of our congregants.
And when he met with our son, right before his bar mitzvah, it was magical.
Singing with Ozzy was such a special privilege.
He knows your limits and he'll push you to them.
He certainly makes people shine. He brings the best out in people, and people really love working with him.
He's just so sweet and so warm, and he has this way to connect to people.
There's many favorite Ozzy moments.
Every so often I'll be walking by Ozzy's office on the way into services and I'll hear
It's like, oh! It's so weird.
And that is, you know, that Ozzy is getting ready to daven.
He was very open to coming on stage in a pink tutu and singing Let It Go in our Purim spiel. He made a very pretty fairy godmother.
He rides his bike every day to work and elsewhere.
As I left the shul to see the cantor on a bicycle, I would start thinking, okay, this reminds me of Nintendo Excitebike.
He reads faster than anybody I know. Even Israelis can't necessarily keep up with him.
He makes inappropriate jokes all the time, even ones that are not that funny. He finds them very funny for some reason.
He's a real person, and it's just amazing to see him as a father and as a husband.
He's an amazing father. He's extremely devoted.
It feels like I'm a cantor because I'm like his twin.
He does it all.
Ozzy is an outsized talent.
Wherever he goes, whatever he does, he makes us so proud, whether he's singing for the United Nations or singing with the Pope or singing on a Shabbat morning. We all feel such a pride to have someone like him be our ambassador.
I love coming to my shul because my cantor is Ozzy Schwartz.
He gives everything that he does, it gives it its absolute best.
He's really tried to create a path for everybody to have a meaningful musical way to connect with the Jewish tradition.
Of all the things that I am the most proud of that I've done in my life, nothing surpasses my introducing Ozzy to the Park Avenue Synagogue.
Ozzy שלנו, אנחנו שולחים לך את ברכת ארץ ישראל, ברכת אלון שבות. הנה האלון מאחוריי, זה יזכיר לך את הבית, את המקום, את האנשים הטובים, נשיקות מאמא ואבא.
Ozzy, bei mir bist du schön, bei mir hast du heim, bei mir bist du das Beste auf der Welt. Ozzy, תמשיך הלאה, והצלחה.
I'm very proud of you. I'm proud of your achievements. I'm proud of all that you have done, and I'm proud of what you will be doing.
When my sister Noah told me that she was about to marry a cantor, I remember I said to her, "What is this, Fiddler on the Roof? Am I supposed to marry the shochet's daughter now?" But as it turns out, Ozzy's a bloody good cantor.
Ozzy, congratulations on this wonderful honor. I wish you and your family all the best, and do I ever look forward to continuing to work with you here in this great New York community in the future. All right? God bless you all. I wish I could be there. And guess what?
Ozzy is the best looking cantor ever. We love you, Ozzy.
We wish you lots of luck, health, happiness, and success.
What makes you such a special person is the combination of a huge talent together with a huge, huge heart. I love you, Ozzy.
We love Ozzy!
Mazel tov, Ozzy. You rock.
I want Ozzy. I love you.
We love you, Ozzy.
You make us proud, and we wish you only all the very best.
We love you, Ozzy. I love Ozzy. Sweetheart Ozzy.
Ozzy is really unique. His voice and his sweet nature are one and the same.
We love Ozzy, we love Noah, we love the children, and we envy the community where Ozzy is the Chazak.
There's just a real sense that Ozzy measures his success not just by the quality of his own voice, but by the degree to which he inspires other people to be stakeholders in the artistry that he loves so.
You've heard the good news. Ozzy Schwartz, he's learned Latin, he's learned Gregorian chant, he's changed his name to Kevin Sullivan, and he's now going to work for us at St. Patrick's Cathedral.